Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear the snapshot history inside your account on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. So what are these snapshots, guys? These are basically points in the past within your editing history here on Obsidian Notes that may allow you to restore a previous editing within the given editing history on your account here on Obsidian Notes, if you'd like to return to it, for example, and restore that note or canvas from a specific point in the past. So let us show you how you can clear that snapshot history. So what you want to do is navigate to your vault/workspace on Obsidian Notes, click into that gear icon and navigate to file recovery. And here you can, for example, edit or customize the snapshot/editing point interval, for example, in minutes, and then also the maximum editing history length, for example, in days. As you can see, it's set to 1 week for me. So after 1 week, number of days, these snapshots will be deleted. So you can view your editing points or snapshots here for a specific note, for example, or canvas. And if you'd like to clear this history, click into this button, confirm. And as you can see, the local snapshot history has been removed and cleared. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.